So this is my first attempt at this 10-foot square arch using the Aeropole system. It was a great experience, easy to use setup, which was great, and throughout this process I'll be able to show you exactly what I've done. I made my quads in advance, and then I started to put them on the poles, so which was easy, and they're 5-foot lengths. So essentially I got 6 pieces there taped together, so the 2 on the left, 2 on the right, and 2 across the top, and then you have 90-degree metal brackets they're different because obviously the poles would normally continue. They're on each corner. The challenge came really at the corners to make it work. Now you can see from the photo that it's not 100% perfect. It looked better lying on the ground, and then by the time we flipped it up and turned it around the other way, you can see on the left side the orange balloon popped back down, but the client says no, leave it up, nobody will notice it. So, and we've got to roll because we have another team coming in. So we had to leave it. But anyways, she says nobody will notice, but of course we do balloons, so we did notice. It was great having one of my employees be able to hand up some balloons while I was working up high. You'll see soon I'll be taking that top down, so that's easier to work on it while it's on the ground. Also, it's a bit of a back saver, and it's a little less hot. I took the top down because it was easier to work with it on the ground. I just laid it down on some damaged linen. I had to take it apart anyway to transport it, but it was easier to work on it on the ground, so which is why I removed it from the top.